This is Nathaniel back with coding-bootcamps.com, and in the last video we talked about creating a new collection for our database. I'm back here in the Mongo CLI and I'm just going to walk through again, switching into our database. You see again, if we run our show databases command, we have our we have our database MyDB3. I'm going to switch to that. And I'm going to do show collections as we did last video and see that I have my test1 collection. So we're going to go ahead and drop this collection. We're going to run the help command to see how to do this. We see that in order to get help on our collection methods, we need to run db dot the name of our collection, which is now test1 dot help. Oh, excuse me. Yes, dot help. There we go. And we can see here we've got all of the different commands we can run for this collection. So everything is prefixed with db.test. We're looking for db.test1.drop. It says drop the collection. That's exactly what we want to do. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in and I'm going to click enter and we get a status of true. If I say show collections, we'll see that I only have my collection. So that wraps that up. I hope that this gives you some idea at a higher level of how collections work within a database. Just keep in mind that we've only been using this one collection here that we've created in MyDB3 or whatever the name of your database is that you are using. We've only created this one collection and used this one collection throughout this course. So just a quick reminder, if you look at your JavaScript that you've been writing throughout this course, you should see at the top, remember we created variables for the database and the collection we were using. So we haven't really thought about it this whole time. We just said, hey, get MyDB3 or whatever database you're using, and then hey, our collection is mydb.mycollection or whatever collection name you were using if you chose a different one. Oops. So just keep that in mind. We haven't really been thinking about it this whole time, but you can indeed create new databases and use those databases from your JavaScript by changing this variable. You can do the same thing with new collections and change the collection you're using with this variable. And if you think about it from the context of using employee records in my collection, we could also create a collection for something else, maybe departments. And so more and more we have collections that kind of resemble the different data that you might be interested in a company. So my collection is used for employees. We could create my collection 1 and we could have it used to store different departments, or we could have it used to store different products that we sell, different inventory. And I think you get the idea. These collections can be used to separate out and categorize the different documents, the different types of data that you're storing in your database. Now, with that said, that ends our section on creating and dropping collections. I will see you in the next section.